Hello and welcome back to Games Night episode 4! On my left side, I have white team, Veer,
Why are you watching? You know, what are you expecting to gain from this?
Zini,
I really don't think I'm scary. I just feel like.
Sheena,
One second.
and me.
I hate my crew. I hate everything. I hate everyone. I want to sleep.
Versus the darker color team. Black team today is Rahul Krishnan, Shijen,
I need to kind of figure out some team bonding.
Ron Shiv,
Hello.
How are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
and
Hey man, hi.
last time there was heavy controversy. If you haven't yet, go back, watch the previous episode. This time we're going to settle dispute a little bit differently. Every time there is dispute, people will be allowed to present their points for 30 to 40 seconds at a time, and we will go debate format so that it can be captured. So we're going to go 8 rounds today, starting with white team for some reason. That's it. Rules are standard, 2 free skips, taboo penalty, 1 minute at a time. Round 1. That show about people who check your health. Who checks your health?
Grey's Anatomy.
Second part.
Anatomy.
Oh, I have a dash on my face.
Pimple.
Another thing like
Zit,
that, but
zit.
that's permanent. That you're born
Blackhead. Beauty spot. Mole.
with. No dash. Okay, there's a series of books. Science for
Dummies.
single.
Dummy.
Y'all just bought a new.
Car.
Okay, if I cry, my dash will run from my eyes.
Water. Tear.
But if it's like a gush product, that
Mascara.
Mumbai just has this. I can take it instead of the local.
Metro.
I am about to pass out. I have let out a massive this thing with my lips.
Done. Good job.
So good.
Great start. Okay, but like question.
Yeah, it's a little grey.
Eyelashes and eye. Eyelashes
say.
was the taboo word.
said
He
eye.
said eye.
No, that's fine. He didn't say eyelash.
Said eyes.
He's honest.
This is so amicable. This is painfully amicable.
I just wanted to set the tone that we will
Should we do some
we will
kushti?
do like
We will not
interrupt during the
we
game.
didn't interrupt during the
Now you
game.
take a point.
So we give them one.
Respectfully, like I will just start.
Wait, why?
Because eyelashes ka eyes I
I'm
do.
not enjoying this.
I'm also not enjoying.
Bilal.
Guys, fuck it up.
Okay, we'll take a
Let's
taboo.
fight.
Okay.
First one has to taboo.
No.
Do
They
you
will
know
taboo.
Yeah. We won't do anything.
I did cheat. देखो भाई प्रेशर बहुत है बट जीनी के राउंड में कवर हो जाएगा ओके थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ यार बट इट्स फाइन इन अमेरिका यू हैव दिस city that associates with this type of people Texas yeah and people over there
Dallas, Cowboys.
yes main his business get me the cash it's in my
Suitcase or
नहीं वो locker.
no
Wallet.
yeah I would
can't
like
talk.
to white and red is what
Pink.
and that is something I like to eat it's for children
Beetroot.
Jello.
so another second word is the first one
Candy,
Candy floss.
yes
Wow.
a whale is a
mammal,
yes
Oh,
okay
Wait, what did you say?
I am very popular I have a lot of
friends.
fans
Fan.
no similar word fame good one guys okay guys Veer is ready
I am a farmer, so I get this.
Crops. Harvest.
Yes. You can contact me on my.
Address.
Mobile.
Mobile. iPhone.
I wear a belt when I'm sitting in a.
Airplane.
Meeting.
Car.
Conference. Car.
Car seat. Airplane.
Yes. I am J.K. Rowling. I'm
Harry Potter.
writing a
Book. Nozzle.
Mumbai.
City Hall Dreams.
Oh, jeez.
Uh, There, I was in possession of something, but now I'm not. So I
Now
am.
you lost it.
Wow.
I'm in New.
Yo.
I said listen.
One second. What did he say? I'm in Jersey.
I said new, and then the timer ran out.
Keep
No,
going.
the timer ran
No,
out.
then it's fine.
But I was halfway through a taboo word.
Time is up.
He was in
He's like, keep going.
But so we get clever.
The taboo word was New York. He said New.
Guys, it's a bit boring today, no?
I'm
Yeah.
so having fun. I feel like
The
the.
rules. Let's fight.
By the way, it's on a.
I'm not playing.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, begin.
All right, let's go. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. KG, but in England, yes. अरे हम तो ऐसे बात करते हैं.
Dialect.
Yes. All right. What did he almost say?
New York.
Yes. What am I doing right now?
Talking.
Singular.
Talk.
Yes. What is rice?
A grain.
Yes. All right. 18th को मेरा क्या होता है?
Birthday.
Yes. All right. उत्कर्ष कहाँ गया है अभी?
Italy.
उससे पहले?
London.
That's right. Okay. तुम like अगर कोई बहुत ही मजाकिया बंदा हो.
Funny.
Funny, hilarious.
English.
Stand up. Comedy.
In the newspaper, there is a piece
Comic.
of thing. Yeah, what is that called?
Comic strip.
No.
But no, other
Joke.
Huh?
Joke of the day,
Yeah,
caricature.
yes, caricature.
Wow. Right. Let's fucking go. So you have to sit
I
there.
have a dispute for that one word where you said हम तो ऐसे बात करते हैं. Was talk a taboo word?
Talk was the word.
No, dialect was the word.
How if
But
talk?
That is a
No,
भाई,
you
एक
can't say
second.
बात. But do
नहीं
you
होगा
can't
भाई.
say.
नहीं
You
भाई,
can't translate
ये भाई
words.
ये देखो भाई, इसको कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है, तो ये देखिए बिग बॉस मैं बताना
मुझे
चाहता
मुद्दा उठाना
हूँ. ये
आता है.
इसको ये मुद्दा उठाना चाह रही है.
गलत है ये.
बिग बॉस मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, ये घर का पूरा माहौल खराब करना चाहती है.
Hindi is part of
सलमान भाई, मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँ. मुझे नहीं खेलना है.
हम तो ऐसे बात करते हो. He could have guessed anything.
Yeah.
हम तो ऐसे
He
बात
guessed
करते हैं.
dialect.
हम तो
Right.
ऐसे बात करते हैं.
So that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can't do that. You can't say in Hindi. You can't speak in Hindi.
So now language is a barrier to be a part of this group.
Yes.
That's not what I said.
Wow, you elitist.
Get that
Technically,
point.
it should have been tabooed, but I said let's be nice. But clearly,
Yeah.
because
You guys are not being nice.
इस जहरीली औरत को इस घर में सिर्फ कलेश करना है, और अगर इसको कलेश करना है, तो हम इसके साथ लड़ने को तैयार.
Just because you're black.
So good in Big Boss.
जीनी,
Let's go.
बेदू, तू जीनी का चेक करने वाला है क्या? तू चेक बैठ ना. ये कोई बात नहीं हुई ना. इतना नर्वस है, साथ में गेस करवाते हैं.
Okay. In the.
Skip.
How do you skip?
Bottom left.
This one, taboo. Okay. First half. Okay.
Interval.
It's raining and it's
Cloudy.
pouring. Pitter.
Patter.
First.
Pat.
Okay. We just bought a.
Car.
Okay. What's on? Yes.
Jeep.
No. What you said before that.
Car.
Yeah. Okay. And now on the road, on the edge. What is it called?
Lines. Park.
No.
Divider.
What is it called? That platform.
Footpath.
Yeah, another word.
Walk.
Another
sidewalk.
Yeah.
Sidewalk.
Yeah.
What?
Sidewalk.
That was not the word.
Okay. No, it was that.
No, it's
Wait, stop this. You totally confused me. No, I'm not playing.
By the way, it's on her.
I'm not playing because we have decided that you will not be spoken to while playing Taboo Bilal. I'm not playing.
but
By the way, you
lost.
lost a round. This is a voluntary choice.
Restart.
We are
No, you
doing
can't
it
restart
again.
this.
Can't we
No, we
that?
can. She
Or also was
Okay, you can.
spoke to me in the middle of it.
But he
Zini.
wasn't fighting with
spoke
you.
to me in the middle of it.
I'm sorry.
No,
but like
he
the
didn't
word-
speak to you.
the
He
word-
spoke to us.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
said that was not even the word.
Zini, I would like
One
fully
second,
take
one
your
second.
side, but he
Okay,
wasn't
let's close-
obnoxious or like
Let's close that
fighting.
dispute.
wait,
एक तो पहले तू फोन वापस कर.
अरे हो गया.
Cheater. What is the word?
What is the word? The word is sidecar.
And
Yeah.
it's just sidewalk.
But no, but he
She
said
said car. She said, you're right.
But
You're
one
right.
second. One second.
car.
He we do.
Okay, no, but that's not the point.
Windows looking real.
Billy, Bilal, listen to me. one
I
minute.
will
Can
listen to you. I will listen to you.
Okay,
One second.
that was not the point about the word. It's about being spoken to in the
Yeah.
middle of it.
But he is judging. He will only point out the mistake.
So we were supposed to point out at the end. We discussed this in the beginning.
No, that
No,
was.
you had to click on
Let's start
taboo.
again. Start again.
No.
How do we proceed?
We're doing a remake.
I
Let's do a re.
definitely think.
Rohan says re. I think we should do a re.
We're
Okay,
doing
let's
a
do a
re.
re. Let's do a
He's
re.
scared. He's
I'm
so
very scared.
This guy is not.
Why are you scared?
Because you're not playing like a sport.
I know the score.
You were supposed to continue playing for the next 30
I got
seconds.
distracted because
Nobody
we decided in the
like that.
beginning-
Everybody talks.
We decided in the beginning that we won't
Okay,
talk in
5
the
rounds.
middle. Nobody
I
else spoke in
forgot.
the middle.
No, but you didn't speak to her. We can play the footage and you can actually show it in the video when Zini will be watching this. That Zini actually was not spoken to. But okay, we'll do a re.
I asked him what the
What
word
is
was.
your
He said
problem?
sidewalk.
I am standing in my team's support.
Catching this massive man spread that's happening over here right now.
Okay, 1 second. Firstly,
This is really
she has
unfair. Nobody
proceeded
else spoke to
on
anybody.
side car as sidewalk,
Yeah.
and
She said
then
it was okay.
And then
she,
we are wrong.
she said it was okay.
She's smart. Founder.
Guys, this is
Overall.
super unfair.
You're very smart.
Okay,
So-
anyway, now we're restarting.
No,
It's fine. Let's
Okay,
I
because
don't appreciate
because
you talk to
Tell
that
him
guy.
that.
I'm talking to you.
Bastard.
Because it was
Yeah,
my
I'd say-
fault that I
You said
interrupted.
Yeah.
It was the wrong word.
But
I
I-
shouldn't have interrupted.
Yeah, you
It
should
was
have said it
14
after.
You're
That's
such a fattu,
You
man.
should have
why are
said
you
it.
being a fattu around her?
What do you mean?
Just because she's
You're
intimidating, you're
fattu.
crazy or?
That's quite true.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ
Zini, you can't bully your way into this.
I'm not bullying
Yes, you can.
anybody.
You can.
Zini, you can't.
Can't, Mara.
This is a game, and if you give up, you give up.
Bilal, nobody spoke to
Nobody
anybody
over
in the
here is
beginning.
going to stand up to you other than your
One second.
husband.
And you're not doing it clearly.
No.
I'm on your side.
I
like it.
This is Bilal.
Say it louder.
Say, okay, one second. You know what? You know what?
Don't say a word.
You know what? Actually, I don't.
I'm a woman of integrity. I have to speak.
No, you're not.
One
Don't lie.
second. Let Sheena decide.
She does right. She does
Actually,
right.
one second.
Sheena just
Why
said
can't
the
we
crew
do
did.
exactly what we did in the previous
Let the
round?
crew
The
decide.
crew
No,
will
fuck the
vote.
crew.
What do you mean fuck the crew? Fuck you. What the
crew is
crew will
fired
fucking
tomorrow.
decide.
Let's
Let
go.
them vote.
The crew is shifting employment.
Should Zini be given another chance?
Shubham, we play parallel together.
Zini, okay,
And
guys.
we're friends.
Zini,
They want us to
एक
do-
वोट
there
से
is
कुछ
no
नहीं होने
pattern.
वाला.
There is
Guys,
no pattern.
raise your.
Hi.
One second. The crew, being the neutral team,
They're not neutral at all.
Five
They want me
votes,
to lose.
five
They enjoy it.
votes.
Why will they?
Okay,
enjoy it?
guys.
Because we
No,
have
no,
a running
Zini.
scoreboard.
सारा मत कर. इधर देख सीधा. ओए Zini, ओए.
Bilal is the winner here.
अरे हो गया.
Cheater.
No.
What is the word?
What is the word? What is side?
Yeah.
And it's a sidewalk.
But no, but he
She
said
said car. She said. You're right. You're right.
Yeah. Sidewalk. Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, play fast. See?
Yes.
Okay.
Careful.
In Shield's defense, she is.
Okay. शू पे जब कुछ लाल लाल होता है.
No Hindi.
Shoe.
Stain.
Shoe bite.
No.
Shoe bite.
Yeah, another word for it.
Foot
When I'm
sore.
wearing heels.
Foot sore. No.
It's
Wait, you said shoe. Taboo.
Yeah.
No, not skip taboo.
Okay. I'll do that later.
Taboo now.
Taboo this
Taboo.
word.
Yeah.
This word
She
continue.
skip or take check mark.
Yeah, continue. Continue now.
No, wait now.
One taboo.
Hey.
How is
1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. How is
it? Scale.
multiple of that?
Scales.
Uttarayan, what do you do?
Kites.
When I go to Sarojini Nagar, I will.
Shopping.
But how will I shop?
Bargain. Yes. You thought
Hot chocolate. What do you put on?
Time out.
Marshmallows.
Time out.
But again, same logic applies. I lost a lot of time.
Yeah, ठीक है. It's okay.
I got 6 points on my turn.
Of course I'll say shit because
You didn't get fucked.
yeah, come on. I believe Zini will guess. I believe in her. She will show up for the team and show you everything is
Show
to be
me
a
how
player.
it-
In love, war, and taboo.
I'll keep quiet.
Okay.
Divide and rule.
Okay. A haiku is a
Poem.
No, keep going.
this is something you take away when you go on vacation.
Take away.
Like
Pillow.
take it back with you.
Oh,
like a-
souvenir, magnet, magnet, postcard.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a dessert.
Cake, pastry, cheesecake,
No, it's
muffin,
What kind? What
Cupcake.
country you ordered?
like a brownie.
donut.
Like a brownie.
Like a brownie.
Sometimes instead of the word Oh fuck you
Shortbread.
say.
Oh shit.
Oh damn.
Damn.
Oh.
Man.
Think na little.
Oh
Oh,
lord.
I'm skipping it.
What is it?
Fudge.
Oh.
Okay.
Never said.
When a stand-up,
Comedy. Comedian.
yeah, what
Jokes.
is their sense of?
Humor.
Humor.
Oh fuck, I said sense. My bad.
Okay, carry on.
I
Taboo.
took tab.
Time up. Time up already. Already.
You fucking didn't get fudge. I don't know how you didn't get that.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
But I got 6 points on my
say shit
turn.
to me.
Of course I'll say shit. Of course.
You didn't get fudge. Oh shit.
you didn't say
no,
Lodabla.
not me. Are you mad?
You skipped very fast. You didn't try.
I didn't try hard enough.
Yeah, let's leave the past in the past. Let's move
I
forward. Let's try to
feel like
win
it's
this.
not
We
about
still
that.
we still can win this.
not
You know?
But we'll win.
But we can win. You're not interested in winning.
Imagine if we win, how Bilal will feel. He'll be so.
मैंने content के लिए regroup करने
I can upset him another way.
He'll feel really bad if we lose.
Imagine.
Imagine we come
He's
back.
anyway gonna lose
Shira,
when
come
we
here.
get home.
Look,
Come here.
guys,
I will not play
all
till I can
great
read.
stories start on an underdog
till I can
basis,
read.
right?
Till I can redo my turn, I'm not playing.
No, but listen, we can't go backwards in life. We have to go forwards, you know, and
No,
we
I
can.
want to redo that.
तू अपना
turn.
देखना यार
Otherwise I'm
इधर बैठ
not.
चुपचाप पड़ोसियों घर में जाके ध्यान दे रही है अपना घर देख
What would you have said if it happened? He was not supposed to interrupt me while I was.
how does one correct you when you're saying the wrong word
Just the way that Bilal corrected Vedu after he finished.
What if you took the point, but?
But then give a taboo in the other thing. It's not rocket science, yeah. It's an app on the
I
phone.
think we should make a case.
What?
We can hear you, bro.
I think we should make a case for a
Why?
We have a majority of players from the 8 of us
Guys,
asking
I
for a
just wanna
return.
say,
Shira, vote for return.
guys, I just want to say,
Return.
like, here's the
Say
thing.
return. Why is it that way?
Veer is saying something
Shira's on us.
I just want to. You're sitting on my mic, bro. 1 second. I'm gonna monologue right now, man.
Okay.
Listen,
Yes.
I don't have anything else going on in my life. That's all I have. I just want to win. All right. I came here like I have all these hopes and dreams, and it's like this is all I've ever wanted, and it's like.
So then why did you fight for it?
I did, but then these
second.
guys, but the
One
crew
second.
who I thought were my friends.
The crew doesn't count. The players count.
doesn't the crew count?
Because
The crew
she's
doesn't count because
she's
they're not part of the game.
counts.
The only person who was wrong is Zinera.
Wrong
is there or wrong?
How dare you? Do not call my fucking player wrong. You are wrong. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. Don't let your mic go off. Is his mic still working? Check Rohan's mic.
you know what guys
Please, let's do the re.
should we
Let's do
should we do you think that'll
I have another idea.
please
I have another idea.
do you think she'll feel like a better human being
Well, let's restart everything from the start.
no
Let's restart the whole thing.
6 rounds again.
I mean, she got 1.
Rahul
You should want this.
Your team got 55.
I got 6. Zini, let's finish it.
really sidecar
Okay. Okay, taboo, I did myself. He invented gravity.
Light bulb.
Newton. I said Newton.
Newton.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Edison. Edison. Smart people.
What else did he invent?
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. Okay. When you are in the range of 1 to 3 age, what are you?
Toddler.
Bhau bhau.
Dog. Dog, cat.
Cat.
Puppy.
What is it?
Bark.
Bark.
Ooh.
Ghost.
Scary. Ghost.
Ghost.
Casper.
Ghoul.
Shriek. Sound.
Scary. What is it?
Time's up.
Oh man, what was it?
Hey, why did you what did you answer?
No, so you move on. Sheet your
But
turn.
he also said
One
bath for
second,
talk.
Bath for dog we
He said
allowed.
bath for talk. Now don't push your luck, baby.
okay
Zini,
let's first hug it out now we can actually hug it out
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
The Jaleels are her
In-laws.
after Dash, after the WTF. Soft Dash,
Launch.
hard launch
hard,
Drink.
uh,
Software.
कपड़े, हाँ,
Hardware.
You guys were just
Fighting,
Another word?
quarreling, arguing.
Arguing, fighting,
Fighting कैसा?
loving,
Fighting कैसा?
dispute,
Aggressive,
fighting, arguing, conflict,
beating,
yelling,
mentally harassing,
World Cup has the last.
final, finale.
finishing. Oh, final.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Because I did so well.
Okay, start.
Say.
You did so.
Yeah.
When you want to go out with your team to do some activity.
Offside.
No, but
Party.
Party.
arcade के पास में क्या होता है?
Gaming.
Bowling alley.
Bowling.
The bank.
ATM.
No.
Checker,
Giving.
teller,
Loans. Yes. Okay.
Yes, this you got this word now. You
ATM cash,
eat
bank
this,
loan.
It's sweet.
Mysore pak?
No. Now you got this word as well.
Just
It's your
give-
turn.
Oh fuck.
Just give the word, no, give other things.
बुद्धि के बाल.
Cotton
Candy
candy.
floss.
candy floss.
Condi floss.
Okay, skip. Okay, if someone can't view,
Actions.
Blind.
crazy. Okay, this is a festival. Okay,
Diwali.
Festival is festival.
नहीं.
Hanukkah,
Christmas.
Hanukkah, Christmas.
Halloween.
Halloween.
मैं अक्टूबर में
तो तू रुका क्यों?
Okay, when I'm in my Indigo coming back from Gurgaon, it gets really scary. There's a lot of
Turbulence.
Nice.
Dash or us store.
Toys.
Single.
Toy.
I will shove this up your ass.
Stick.
Hindi word.
Tata. Umbrella.
Okay, that Chinese animal which is endangered, adorable.
Panda.
What does he eat?
Sugar
Bamboo.
cane. Sugar cane. Oh. Bamboo. Bamboo.
Keep going.
Okay, if I'm in an American bungalow, outside the gate, there is a thing that people have a chair on.
Patio.
Yeah, no, other one. Okay, what's a really fancy car? What's a fancy car? Dash 911. Convertible car.
Porsche.
Yeah.
Porsche.
Yeah. Okay, hey, there is a detective that makes you pass out and figures out, he reads my mind. He's putting you in a state of
Psychosis.
Hypnosis.
Yes, we got it.
What a good round.
Hypnosis is still good.
What a good round. How many do we get?
5 only, but it's good.
This is my moment. Okay.
Yes.
We're gonna fly through this one by
Fuck you,
one.
Shubham.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Fuck you, Shubham. I don't need
Let's
to
go.
put that in.
We're good.
Yes, we're good.
We're best.
Oh, when I'm in traffic, I.
Break.
Pull the brake.
Stop.
Handbrake.
I am. I'm just gonna skip this. Oh, I love this. I play it. It's like
FIFA game.
there are squares, and you have to put
Chess.
different things in each square to make one line where it comes in a sequence.
Connect four.
In a sequence. No.
Lol, okay,
It's
no.
like it's a
Scrabble.
Japanese name.
Ludo,
It's a Japanese
Mahjong.
name. No, it's a Japanese name.
Dominoes.
And it has like you have these different squares.
Skip it.
What else is this?
This is when people you have to have a lot of knowledge and then you show up on this
Trivia?
thing where you show up taboo.
How is
Go on.
By the way, when I turn 18 I go to
Drive license.
Uni,
yeah,
college, university.
we got uni. One sec. He passed
Yeah, you
it,
take one.
so we get one to start. Yes.
Lal.
Ron, take the first 3. Take the first 3.
Okay. Guys, I'm starting. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. This is a phase. Okay, that happens post dawn.
Twilight.
Yeah, what is it called?
Morning,
But like,
dawn, dusk. No, morning, good morning,
Sunrise.
but other
Sunset.
opposite.
Sunset.
Yeah, what phase it is? What is it? What is
evening, morning,
Skip.
it called? अरे भाई पंजाबियों को क्या बच जाता है?
about 12 midnight.
Yes. Okay. Okay, you make eggs. Okay,
Scrambled eggs,
but you
Frittata.
turn it with this.
Sunny side up.
Spatula.
Yes,
Spatula.
correct. Absolutely correct.
Okay, finish it out.
This is a body which is where you insert
Injection.
You insert money into this.
ATM.
Piggy bank.
No, wait. Okay.
Let's go.
It's a wishing bell.
You got this, Zini. Come on.
I'm so lost in what's unlocked.
Yes,
wrong is wrong.
Don't fucking wait and all. Huh?
This is where we win.
Okay, I'm starting.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Check the round. Round check.
Just don't say a taboo word. Okay, my sister Safia is studying what?
Dermatology, doctor, medicine.
Yeah, what will she do?
Medicine, practice.
No, yeah, what do you do?
Diagnosis.
No, it's
Facials.
like, okay, for my finger, what do I have to do if it...
Surgery.
Yes.
Surgery.
Surgery.
Okay, you like doing this, Vedant, you come to our house and you throw
Fidget.
a bunch of...
Tantrums.
No, what do you throw?
Cards.
Against the
Cards.
wall. Yeah,
Cards.
so what do you do with those?
Play.
Gamble.
Yeah, so?
Gamble.
No,
Poker.
the
Play,
first
playing
one.
cards.
Playing cards.
Okay, I like to do this to my hair
Blow dry.
to give it more volume. Hair taboo word.
Carry on.
Okay, we are where we go.
Hall.
We go over
Way back.
the
Moon. Over the sun.
No, fucked it.
What is it?
Upstairs. How many did I get?
We got some.
3, I think.
Take your time, okay? Take your time. Easy.
You start relaxing.
Yeah.
Okay, can I hug?
Yeah, can I hug? Can I hug?
Tight hug. Zini, give it a tight hug. Oh, please.
Freestyle. Where would I do it? Where would I do it?
You can pass it.
I would get scurvy if I don't have this.
Vitamin C.
Oh wow, love it.
आइकोबो में ये मिलता है.
क्या चीज?
Ice cream.
नहीं.
Combo क्या है?
I like these darts.
iPhone. Pass it.
Next.
Mew, very famous.
Bag.
You put it on your
Sling bag.
What are you wearing?
Lip oil.
No. What are you wearing?
Makeup.
Shades.
Oh my god. The fuck is that?
This is no longer there. It used to be in Maldives, Mauritius. And it's no longer there. It's gone out of the world.
Dodo.
Yeah. I got it!
Got it.
I got it.
If the game allows.
If the game
Okay,
allows.
but
Yeah.
it was shade and not shades.
That's okay.
If that's okay. But otherwise everything else is fine.
Sit. You need to look at.
Oh. You got 5, Vedant.
Shield.
We're
Pay
all
attention
fucking-
to taboo. Shield.
Pay attention.
Shield.
Okay.
You can stop. Don't be scared.
Let's go.
Don't touch up.
This is a really thin thing that you put cloth together with. Thread.
Thread.
What do you use with that? Oh, needle. Y'all just went on your honeymoon. Yeah. Honey Singh dash.
Rapper. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Nice.
Okay. This is a electronic brand. They make speakers. It's Indian. It's on Shark Tank.
Boat.
Yes. This multiplies and causes
X.
diseases.
Bacteria. Mosquito.
What do
Mosquito
you
flies.
say? The first thing you
Bacteria.
said. Yeah.
What? No. नहीं मैं देख.
This is a gods are dash.
Religion.
Immortal.
Yes.
Invincible.
Immortal.
God. Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Yes. Round 2. देखे taboo भी करना.
I swear to God, if we win after all this, I'm gonna start crying.
Really?
On camera.
If you win after this, I'll start disputing that round.
Okay. चलो.
Yeah, here only.
Okay.
Okay. You have this in front of your crazy. When you shout something
Yell.
in
Screech.
the mountains.
Echo. Easy.
Where are we?
House, home, Vedu.
Flag.
sign.
Hall.
No,
Apartment.
which country?
India.
India.
Where
Bombay,
is this? What is this part of?
State.
West, West.
No. Overall.
State, Maharashtra.
No.
Pass it.
City.
South Asia.
Second word.
Asia.
What's it? Take your time.
Okay.
Take your time. No taboo words. We can chill now. Actually, we can chill now.
अबे एक और करना जल्दी से यार.
Hey, you can still get a taboo and fucking play. What the hell? Yeah, that's cheating.
Which is why we will not play.
That's cheating.
What's cheating?
What's cheating?
Not play.
It's called strategy.
Strategy.
Play, you have to play.
Rahul is thinking. Rahul keep thinking.
Only do it if you're absolutely sure.
That's
Let's go!
Let's do one more round.
You guys cheated.
We as cool as lucky.
It's just unsportsmanlike behavior.
When you're playing basketball,
Wait,
if you are leading, will you stop playing? You're like, I'm done.
One second.
We are done.
एक second.
When the game is still on, you won't dribble, you let the ball go.
Yes. One second. 10 बॉल में 6 रन चाहिए.
आखिरी
2 बॉल में हमने 6 रन मार लिए तो विराट कोहली बाकी 8 बॉल में टाइम पास करेगा क्या? They celebrate when they win.
Why are you laughing? They have to match the score. You don't have to score.
Imagine being a part of the team that has given an entirely new
You have to play till the last second.
Big boss.
I think I killed it. Yeah, that's all. I killed it. I'm a fair player, and that's why I'm a fair player, and I saw wrong being done, and I was like, it needs to be fixed. But then our team broke up.
So white team is really chaotic.
I'm not playing because we have decided that you will not be spoken to while playing Taboo Bilal.
I need to kind of figure out some team bonding the way we have ours. I think I learned Zanera can be really scary.
I really don't think I'm scary. I just feel like
There's laughter, there's eye rolls.
I just feel like I was really wronged, and I was trying to make my point. But like people were like overbearing me because of like volume issues. Like I wasn't like really strong.
If I were me, I would.
Going home now?
If I have to walk on the sidewalk,
Sidewalk.
then I am. But I do have a car, which is my main car and not my side car. Just want to let you guys know. I hate my crew. I hate everything. I hate everyone. I want to sleep. I'm so sad. I killed it. I think both turns. Second turn, score was okay, 5, but I'm very happy with my performance considering I had some tough words and I made some ambitious attempts with Bamboo. You know, that was good. That was good. I spent some time with Bamboo. I still recovered.
Why are you watching? You know, what are you expecting to gain from this?
अरे क्या मजा आया, dude. I think today was the best I ever performed. And at the end, in my defense, I was just playing to win. And as soon as we won, there was no point of continuing how to play. There was no point of continuing the game, so I stopped. And there were like 2 words in which I could have easily fucked up. The first word was carnival, and the second word was snorkel. I would have 100% tabooed on both those words. And I'm very happy that I paused and I took my time. And eventually we won. And I think that's the whole point of the game. That you just need to win. You don't need to. It doesn't matter how many points you win the game by. Either 1 point or 10 points is just the same.
Let's just watch a bunch of people play Taboo, and then here's what happened instead. You know, lifelong friends fighting, husband and wife feuding, a camera crew that turns on their own boss. You know, and my entire team imploding midway. And I'm caught in the middle like one fucking child of divorce, just like, guys, please, can we just get it together, you know? Like, I had to give like this big pep talk that led nowhere. Yeah, I think I'm gonna jump out this window, man.
Hello. My heartbeat even right now is like pacing because before today I didn't even know the meaning of the word fear. Okay, we did really fear fairly. Like I'm so scared of Zini.
I really don't think I'm scary.
So like
I feel like Zini was wrong, okay, by me. I'm the terrible guy. But again, Zini, please reply to my DMs. I'm sorry.